Hi friends, this is Parul. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to share very easy and quick recipe of cream cake, or we can say it's malai cake. First of all, take cake tin, grease it with ghee like this. Cover the sides also. After that, I'm spreading little bit of wheat flour like this. Spread it all over. By doing this, we don't need to use butter paper. Remove the extra flour. Now I have taken one medium bowl of still, which contains approximately 150 to 200 grams, and I'm taking one bowl sugar. Just see the size of the bowl, and we are going to use the same bowl for all the measurement. Now we have to grind it in a mixer and make sugar powder. After that, take a big vessel and a big strainer, and I'm going to add 2 bowls of wheat flour. You can also use maida if you want, but I'm going to make cake with the help of wheat flour. Along with this, add half bowl of milk powder, one spoon baking powder, and half spoon of baking soda. Just follow the exact measurement. Now we have to strain all the dry ingredients 3 times. Just remember, we have to strain it 3 to 4 times. Mix them properly. After that, now we have to take all the liquid ingredients, which includes 1 cup of fresh cream, mix it. Now I am going to add sugar, 1 bowl of sugar. Mix it very nicely. Please use one direction while beating the mixture or while mixing the mixture. Mix it properly. We don't have to use much pressure, just mix it. Now add our dry ingredients in small quantity. We don't have to add all the mixture at one time. Just add 3 to 4 spoons at one time and mix it. As it becomes very thick, we have to add milk in between. It is going to take 1.5 bowl of milk while mixing the complete batter. Just add dry ingredients, little bit of milk, and mix them. Just see the process. If you want to make a perfect cake, you have to follow the same procedure step by step. It is the easiest way of making cake. And the best thing is we can make this cake with the help of wheat flour. I'm going to complete the whole ingredients like this. This is the last portion. Mix it. After mixing the whole ingredients, I am adding little bit of cardamom powder and few drops of vanilla essence. Now I am adding 1 spoon of saffron milk. For this I have soaked little bit of saffron in milk 15 to 20 minutes before. Mix them well. Saffron milk is going to enhance the taste of our cake. Have a look to the consistency. Now take a tin and pour the ingredients like this. Our tin is already ready. Dab it. Spread the ingredients nicely. Don't use too much of mixture. We need blank space so that cake becomes spongy. I have preheated my electric oven and going to kept it for baking. It is going to take 45 to 50 minutes. Let's bake it now. While baking process, we have to make rabdi for decoration. I have taken 1 liter of full fat milk. I have already boiled it once. Again, put it on a flame. Our flame is medium right now. And I'm going to add 2 spoons of milk powder. Mix them properly. Just make it lumps free. Have a look, it comes to the boiling point now. Stir it for next 10 to 12 minutes. Just have a look to the consistency of the milk right now. It becomes thick. After that, I'm going to add 2 spoons of sugar. We don't have to add too much of sugar as our cake is also sweet. Little bit of cardamom powder and some saffron milk which we have already prepared. Mix them. Now I am adding some dry fruits. You can add according to your choice. I am adding some pistachios, cashew nuts, almonds. You can add whatever you want. After 5 minutes, just close the flame and let it be cool down. When it cools down, it becomes more thicker. It is going to take 35 to 40 minutes to cool down properly. So keep it aside. Have a look to our cake. It's perfectly baked now. As I have told you, it is going to take 45 to 50 minutes to bake properly in electric oven. You can use gas or you can use microwave. Let it be cooled down completely. Just check it. It is ready. Now we have to when it cools down, we have to remove it from the tin. Just see the process. Just have a look. It is perfect. Turn it one more time. You can see the cake. It is so soft, so spongy and perfectly baked. After that, we have to make the cut marks. You can also cut the cake in between, but I am going to make cut marks like this. You can do it according to your choice also. We are cutting it as we have to pour our rabri. Now pour it on the cake like this. I am decorating it with some dry fruits. Again, you can decorate it according to your choice. And after decorating, it is ready to have now. Just give it a try. Believe me, it's a superb combination of cake with rabdi. So try it once and comment me in message box. You can decorate it according to your choice. You can use any dry fruits. You can use rose petals, anything. Hope you like the video. Share it with your friends and close ones. And please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.